High key, this shirt is cute. Not even about to lie.
You are now about to witness the strength of street knowledge.
Straight out of Compton, crazy motherfucker named Ice Cube. From the gang called niggas with attitudes. When I'm called on, I got a soul.
So hey guys, so I'm gonna be showing you how to make like a tube top.
And like right now what I'm doing is like I cut the top and the bottom off and I sewed like a little bit into the thing, but this is turned inside out. So like I sewed the shirt inside out, like leaving some of the sides off. I connected the sides at first and then just sewed this and then cut it off because I feel like that makes it easier.
Alright, so watching this back, that didn't make any sense. I don't understand what I was trying to say. But what you have to do is from the sides of the shirt, like about like an inch, like from both sides, you're gonna draw 2 straight lines from each side and then sew across those lines. And like you have to make sure that the shirt is flipped inside out at this point because you're gonna flip it back out, so like it'll be like seamless. You'll see when I like flip it outside, like inside out, how it look. But that's what you have to do. I don't know what I was trying to say, but I hope that made sense. I hope that cleared everything up, and I guess that's it. Also forgot to mention, you gotta remember to cut off everything that's left after you sew.
But that's what I did so far to make like the tube top part. What I'm gonna do is turn this inside out and like show you how. So when you turn it inside out, it looks like this. I think I'm gonna hem the top or like try to make it shorter. So right now what I will be doing is trying to look for something to print onto this tube top that I've made, and I'm going with like NWA because like I want this to be like kind of like old school. Yo, maybe I'll use this one. I don't know. I'm gonna try to figure out something to use to like print onto the shirt, and I'll show you how I'm gonna transfer this onto here without like transfer paper. Right now I've selected my picture and like I just put it onto Word. I got it from Google Images and I printed it out. I've never actually used this type of like method to transfer anything, but I saw this video on YouTube where they use like parchment paper and like saran wrap, like the plastic wrap, to like do that. So like we'll see how it turns out. Right now I like cut out the picture and I'm gonna be wrapping it in like the plastic wrap, so I'll get back to you when I finish that.
Okay, I really don't know why I keep saying so much, so please just bear with me.
What I'm gonna do is like measure out where I want to place this because I don't want it to be off center because I feel like that would look pretty weird. It's like I feel like right here, so I'm just gonna mark it.
Yo, I hope this turns out right, because I'm scared.
Alright, let's hope for the best. Alright, so what I'm gonna try to do is take this and put it over there like I saw it in the video and just like iron over this. But I don't know how high this iron need to be. I'm really not trying to start a fire. That's not really what I'm trying to do right now. But let's just see how this works. To this, you kind of have to hold it for a little bit and then like kind of slide it.
One thing I would say is I do not recommend you iron it on a wooden brick because that's exactly what I was doing. The brick was getting really hot. I really thought I was going to start a fire. You know, we all about safety here, so please don't do that.
Because I don't know. I don't really know if it's sticking or not. This is like, we'll see what happens. So after I ironed it, this is how it looks. I mean, it's connected for the most part. It's kind of hot, but like I feel like I don't know how sturdy I would like think this would be, like if you were really trying to wear this out somewhere. Like Really don't know. I feel like this side is lifting right there, but everything else seems pretty secure. So I think I'm gonna keep ironing on this side till like it melts down, because I feel like that's where the problem is. It's not like melted to it. So what I did was I like finished ironing this on, and I hemmed the bottom to make it look cleaner. And this is the shirt in its final form. I think it's pretty cute though, high key. So this is the finishing product. The shirt, I think it's pretty cute though, high key. Like, it got a little burnt, as you can see over there, but I think it's pretty cute. So that's really all I got for you guys today. What am I supposed to say now? What do the professional YouTubers say? The professionals, they be like and subscribe for more. I post every time I can, period. Because listen, I got school. Maybe in the summer I'll post more if y'all like this, but y'all need to follow me. I'm a sophomore. Oh my gosh, yo, I remember being a freshman in this. Like, I remember I used to make YouTube videos last year, but I would never post them. So if people like this, gets a lot of hype, whatever you want to call it, like, maybe I'll make more. That's it. All my socials will be linked down below if I can. I don't know, I'll try. I'm not really tech savvy. I'm gonna try my best, my ability to link everything down below. So if I take my time and energy to link it, you better follow me on my Insta, my Snapchat. What else do I use? I got a Twitter. I don't really be using it. I just follow me on my Twitter, Instagram at flawless.sense, Snapchat at Audrey 101112, Twitter at Audrey 101112. Yo, Snapchat really need an update where you can update your usernames, because that's just not doing it for me. Like, I don't know what to say. I mean, that's really it, guys. I'm just rambling at this point. I got finals. It's really a tough life, you know. I got my regions, everything. Everyone living in the northern hemisphere understands. Everyone who hasn't finished school, I think that's what, did I already say this before? I don't even know. But I got tests, you know. It's really not like, all right, I'm really procrastinating. I don't want to do my work. All right, so bye, peace, love, positivity. I need to have one of those slogans for my own. Peace, love, positivity. No, that just sounds so fake. And that's a wrap, period.